Good evening, ladies and gentlemen. Welcome to the Kodak Better Photography Wedding Photographer of the Year Awards 2009. So here we are to raise a toast to all those photographers who capture these fleeting moments for a bride, groom and their family to cherish for generations to come. Who better to speak about Wedding Photographer of the Year 2009 than the editor of Better Photography? May I please invite Mr. K. Madhavan Pillai on stage to say a few words.
I welcome you all. Wedding photography is a very unique kind of photography. It's something which is more exciting for me, at least, than a lot of other genres of photography, especially because it's a very, very difficult job. It's tough. Wedding photographer has got to be a good portraitist. He's got to be a good photojournalist at a wedding. He's got to work with indoor kind of lighting situations. He's got to work with outdoor lighting situations. He's got to work with artificial light, flashlight. Not only that, a wedding photographer has got to be good with Photoshop, imaging on computers. He's got to be a graphic designer, So there are so many things that a wedding photographer really has to be successful. There's lots of emotions and lots of play happening there. And imagine what happens when a photographer gets in the middle of all that. That is wedding photography. That is who we are celebrating, what we are celebrating here today. This award is instituted as an annual award. This is also the first national awards on wedding photography in the country. I'm very glad we are the ones who did it. I'm very happy. May I now call on stage Mr. S. Srinivasu, Vice President and Business Head of the Digital Camera Division of Kodak.
Distinguished guests, a very warm welcome to the first edition of the Wedding Photographer of the Year. We partnered with Better Photography to really bring the heroes behind the camera and actually celebrate. Marriage is the most beautiful story of anybody's life. And what perhaps we are trying to do is that this story needs to be told, this story needs to be relived, and the best way to do it is in the form of a wedding album. So today, the skill sets of the photographer is not just in capturing, but also in presenting, and presenting in a way that he's seen as somebody who's highly capable. He's capable, he's skilled, and he knows that what he has in him and how to present it. And this particular event is only to celebrate and to really salute their efforts and their skill sets. Thank you very much and enjoy the evening.
It's time to launch into the Better Photography Wedding Photographer of the Year Awards 2009. One category, 6 themes, and over 8,000 entries were received this year. After weeks of rigorous scrutiny and rounds of merciless eliminations and a few sleep-deprived weeks, we finally shortlisted the top 136 photographs.
Yes, and then one day, the creme de la creme of the wedding photography industry were given the task of picking the final nominations, a task diligently executed with great attention to detail.
Ladies and gentlemen, we shall now facilitate the 6 theme winners of Wedding Photographer of the Year 2009. Our next category is Couple Portraiture. This is one category where a photographer aims to capture love, understanding, and beautiful moments that a couple shares not only during the wedding ceremony, but before and after it too. कभी उनकी नोक झोंक तो कभी प्यार. इसको ही समेट लाता है एक photographer. Let's take a look at the wedding photographer nominees in the couple portraiture theme.
In the category Couple Portraiture, the nominees are Nehal Diliwala, Vikas Ahuja, Vivek Victor Sequeira, Deepa Netto, Bobby Sharma, Jignesh J. Patel.
May I please request Mr. Madhu Shroff, Mr. Jayesh Mehta, President AIPTIA, and Mr. Riaz Ganji, renowned fashion designer, to please come up on stage and announce the couple portraiture theme winner.
Winner is Vivek Victor Sequeira.
Congratulations to all the winners. I would request all the winners to join us on stage for a photo opportunity.